With each passing year, the scope of industrial laser applications expands, and now lasers are used to process stones, giving them a new look. Many farmers are increasingly turning to cargo drones in agriculture for various reasons, one of which is mobility. Industrial climbing has always been considered one of the challenging and hazardous professions that require experience and attentiveness, but fortunately, it is well compensated for these workers. An inventor from Turkey has developed a solution to prevent people from peeking at smartphone screens. The system consists of an application on the smartphone and glasses with a microchip. The chip wirelessly connects to the smartphone, after which the image on the mobile device screen becomes visible through the glasses equipped with this chip. Sidewalk tiles come in different shapes, colors, and sizes, allowing for the creation of entire compositions from various elements and making landscape design unique. Decorative plaster provides a beautiful and durable way to decorate interiors. It successfully imitates various textures and can be repainted over time if desired. Everyone loves to eat pineapples, but they have one problem. They need to be peeled. If you can cut glass in a circle, you can do anything in this life. Fearless workers operating in quarries are capable of performing various tasks, and even holding trailers to prevent them from overturning. The final stage in assembling acoustic speakers is protecting the central emitter, which is glued manually. If you think this is an air balloon, you are mistaken. It's actually a soft reservoir for storing bulk materials. It's great when technology can do the job itself without the worker's involvement. All you have to do is direct it in the right direction, and it will do everything itself. It's better not to stick your hand under this multi-ton press, and be very careful when working with it because any mistake can end badly. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.